Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the serene and quiet neighborhood of Wireless Drive, Kingston, is this exquisite 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home for sale. It offers the perfect blend of luxury and tranquility, sitting on 0.64 acres and just minutes from Manor Park. This property is an entertainer's dream, featuring a spacious pool, a charming pool house, and expansive outdoor spaces designed for relaxation and hosting guests. Wake up to breathtaking panoramic views of the city and enjoy the peaceful ambience that makes this home a true retreat from the bustle of everyday life. Whether you're hosting a gathering under the stars or enjoying a quiet morning by the pool, this property offers an unparalleled lifestyle of comfort and elegance. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a slice of paradise. Schedule your private viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 95 million or US $600,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.